So if we took a manual approach here, we could have human moderators read the client's preferences from our content management system and approve or reject each piece of content that comes through. And in the early days of Bazaarvoice, this is exactly how content was moderated. And the results here are, okay, humans can ensure the content is appropriate and authentic, but it takes 20 hours on average before a review is on site. And shoppers value recency. They look at newer reviews to ensure that information about a product is up to date. In addition, engaged consumers expect their voices to be heard. They expect reviews to be on site at the speed of the internet. If they don't feel heard, they'll disengage with the brand. So this is our core problem. How can we make content available on site quickly while simultaneously ensuring the content is appropriate and authentic? And this is where AI can help. Specifically, we can turn to machine learning, a field of AI that infers rules from existing data. And fortunately, Bazaarvoice has a lot of data. We deliver content to over 6 billion digital shelves across our client base. If we just look at unique review content, we have over 800 million historically, and that number grows by 9 million each month. We can leverage this historical data to solve our problem. Specifically, we use machine learning to learn what kinds of content is undesirable and automatically flag new content that matches that profile. Let's see how our approach changes with AI and ML. Okay, so first, we're going to leverage our existing moderators, but this time simply to label data for model training and validation. As such, we only need them to label a small sample of reviews. Our data scientists then use these data to train new models to meet one or more clients' use cases. These models are deployed to a machine learning inference system that approves or rejects new content we collect for our clients. The client configurations are shared with the machine learning system so that the content can be moderated to meet each client's individual use case. Remember, one of our guiding principles is to keep people in charge. This lets clients customize what kind of content they consider appropriate. And the results here are pretty good. Using this approach, we can get user-generated content on site within seconds as opposed to the hours it took with human moderators. But with this automation comes great risk. How do we know that AI is behaving as it should?